Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most amazing and beautiful volleyball players in the world, Zuhra Gune. You may also know her as Zuhra Gune, which is how her name is spelled in Turkish. Zuhra Gune is a 22-year-old Turkish volleyball player who plays as a middle blocker for Vakıfbank Istanbul and the Turkish national team. She was born on July 7, 1999 in Kartal, Istanbul, Turkey. She started playing volleyball at the age of 12 and joined Vakıfbank in 2013. She has won several awards and titles in her career, such as the FIVB Women's Champions League, the FIVB Women's Club World Championship, the FIVB Volleyball Women's U23 World Championship, and the Best Middle Blocker Award in various tournaments. She is also one of the tallest female volleyball players in the world, standing at 6 feet 5 inches or 198 centimeters. She made her Olympic debut in 2021 in Tokyo, where she became a social media sensation for her remarkable appearance and skills. She has over 1.5 million followers on Instagram, where she posts stunning photos of herself and her volleyball career. She also has a lot of fans who admire her beauty and talent. Zuhra Gune is not only a great volleyball player, but also a smart and educated woman. She has a bachelor's degree and enjoys listening to music and watching television. She is also very humble and friendly, and often expresses her gratitude to her fans and supporters. Zuhra Gune is definitely one of the most inspiring and impressive athletes of our time. She has shown us that with hard work, dedication, and passion, anything is possible. She is a role model for many young girls who want to pursue their dreams and goals. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning more about Zuhra Gune. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of Zuhra Gune and who else you want me to talk about next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.